Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple chow mein recipe. So first in a pot I've taken 6 cups of water and I'm going to let it boil. And in the meantime, in a bowl I've taken 1 tablespoon of sambal or chili paste. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. It's very important to use the dark one. And then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then I'm going to add a half teaspoon of black pepper, or you can use white pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. And then I'm going to mix it well together. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and then mix it again. In the meantime, my water has boiled. So now I'm going to add in my noodles. So I've taken about 225 grams of chow mein noodles. And I'm going to let it boil for about 5 minutes until it's soft. Once it's done, I'm going to strain it and then pour cold water over it to stop it from cooking. And then I will set it aside. Now in my wok, I've taken 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then I'm going to add my fresh ingredients. Whites of 3 stems of green onions, 3 garlic cloves chopped, and 1 teaspoon of ginger chopped. Make sure you use fresh ingredients. And I'm going to wait till it browns a little. Once the garlic has browned, I'm going to add in 1 cup of julienned carrots and stir fry it for a little bit. And then I'm going to add in 2 cups of shredded cabbage and then stir fry it again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, you want to do this on high flame so that it still has the crunchy texture. And then I'm going to pour in my noodles. And then I'm going to give it a mix. And then I will pour in the sauce that I had prepared. Now I will mix it, and it's really much easier if you use chopsticks at this stage or throughout your cooking because it's much easier to mix this way. Make sure all your ingredients are well combined, again on high heat. And then finally, I'm going to add in the last ingredient, which is fresh green onions. I'd used the white parts before, and this time I'm going to use the greens of it. And then I'm going to give it a mix again. And the chow mein is ready. It's really delicious and very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.